What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. It's been a while. I'm here with the Saab 2011 Saab 95, and I'm right here at the foot of I-75. Probably one of the busiest highways on this side of the country. Anyway, just wanted to do a little quick update on the car. Little walk around. I got some paint issues going on. I hit something on the interstate. And it took out some of the plastics. It took out this fender liner, as you can see. Only pieces of it are left. But overall, the body's still in pretty good shape. It's just dirty. Car's been running good, though. No real issues. Since having the turbocharger and the timing chain replaced, she could use a good detail, but she's doing pretty good. I tell you what, this new turbo is, well, you can see, a little dirty. This new turbo is a beast. We'll turn it off. Do a startup. I do have the stupid annoying tire pressure light on. That popped up after the car sat for a few months waiting to be completely repaired. Let's take her for a little drive. Yeah, I haven't been uploading much content, guys, because I don't have a phone worth of crap. No phone worth a crap. Roll up this window. Yeah, so she's doing good. At first, after the repair, I was having problem with it making boost, getting up into the red zone. But now, my mechanic, he picked it back up, kept it for another 10 days or so, went through a bunch of sensors and what have you, and the dirty oil in this car, I mean, we've changed the oil like 2 or 3 times in the past couple of thousand miles. We're trying to clean out the engine from the neglect of the previous owner. So even though this oil only has about 1,000 miles on it, I checked it this morning and it's black as night. So gotta get it serviced once again. Just trying to get it cleaned up. I ran about 1,500, 2,000 miles of an engine cleaner in it. So hopefully getting it cleaned up. It runs good, runs great. I just want, really want clean oil running through that new turbo. You know what I mean? Really do. But next on the list for this car is I'm going to get the transmission serviced. We're sitting at 97,164. I'm going to get the transmission serviced, and I'm going to have some new front shocks put on it. I might go ahead and do the rears, but I know I want to do the fronts. They're quiet. They're not making any noise. They're just, they're just rough riding. And my mechanic noted, he was like, man, these things, he was like, dude, they're worn out. Let's get a little pull here. Oh. Plenty peppy. She's plenty peppy. And just so smooth. Gosh. I'm trying to think. Let's see. Oh, I have my rear tail lights converted to LED because that is a thing. I put new bright white bulbs in the front, and they helped a whole lot. I've recently ordered me some matching touch-up paint in this color. I forget what this color's called. I can't remember. Maybe graphite, something. I can't remember, but I'm waiting for it to come in so I can touch up my bumper, the spots on it, and then I've just got a couple of spots on the roof that just need a little dab and a little touch. So yeah, so get this thing freshened up a little bit. I waxed the hood and the roof and the trunk lid the other day, and boy, it sure did shine up nice. So when our winter weather kind of gets a little better, it's been spitting rain or raining just about every day for a week or two. I'm gonna get her cleaned up and do a good polish with my orbital all over. So anyway, but there you have it. Just a little update on the Saab 9.5. Hadn't done anything in a while, so I just thought I'd throw something up there and at least get some content up on the channel. It's been a while, and I appreciate all y'all hanging in there, but we're going to get back at it here very soon. So y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.